Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gary Keep It Simple. Here's a nice simple one for caravan and trailer owners. A quick hack that may help you. Don't know what this is going to be like, but this might be a quick tip for somebody. We've got a trailer. It's quite a nice trailer. And take it out tomorrow, but it hasn't been out since, well, before lockdown. So the connector there was very corroded. Now what I've done is I've put some vinegar on some kitchen towel, shoved it down into there, and just, you know, it's a bit yellow. So what's it going to be like when I take it out? Oh, now that was very bright green. Now it's dull green, but it's taken all the corrosion off. So we'll see later on whether that works. Yay! The results of the vinegar soak. We took the car out today with the trailer and it worked. When we tried it the other day before we soaked the vinegar, only one light worked on the entire array. Today everything worked. All I did, took the paper out as you see on the video, then we plugged in the plug and we slopped in a load of sartans vinegar into the socket, just plugged it in and off it went. All the lights, everything worked. Absolutely magic. Total time, as long as it took to slop the bottle. Anyway, if you'd like to sign up and subscribe to this channel, that would help. If you'd like to just like the video, that'd help. If you'd like to leave some comments, that'd help. Any advice, anything else you want to ask for, anything you can do, just join in. Thank you. Catch you later. Bye.